Hello, my name is Jake Muhlstein, and I'm going to be reviewing my portfolio for WDD 330 Front-End Development 2. And so, going over the self-evaluation, number one was becoming more efficient applying your innate curiosity and creativity. I gave myself a 3. I was pretty engaged in the class, but I definitely could have been more engaged. I was able to complete all the projects, but a lot of the time it was focused on the JavaScript and not so much the CSS, so I could have gone a lot further there. Number two is becoming more dexterous at exploring your environment. I put myself at a 4. That's just, how the whole entire class came down to was learning and then getting other resources. We had our Web Ninja skill book, but then also I went a lot into other locations of information such as W3 Schools or Stack Overflow, and it definitely was essential for completing the projects. Let's see. Number 3, becoming a person who enjoys helping and learning from others. I put myself at a 3 on that. Yeah, we had our group meetings every week, and it was great to come together and to overcome a problem. Because it had been a couple years since I took a web development class, I was a little bit behind on my skills, and so I leaned heavily on the groups in the individuals in my group, but they did a great job of showing what they learned, and I took the opportunity to learn from them and improve on my skills. Using divide and conquer approach to design solutions for programming problems. This was pretty essential in my projects, writing out what I wanted to accomplish before I went in there and started doing the coding, and that kind of made so I had a game plan before getting in there, and I think it helped reduce the spaghetti code as a result. Number 5 is finding and troubleshooting bugs that you and others were having in your code. You're right. The first project, the to-do project, this was a big pain that I was having. I was not able to, for a long time, produce the list, get things to show up, and then stay in local storage. But through dedicated troubleshooting, I was able to get things figured out, looking at other examples from team members that were presented in class, and then using the references that I talked about earlier, that I was able to go ahead and troubleshoot those bugs. So I give myself a 4 on that, mastering the solution or finding solutions for those bugs. And then 6, developing and debugging HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript programs that use medium complexity web technologies. I was able to build my weather app, which uses a weather API to go ahead and get some current weather conditions based on location using a city name or zip code. And was able to work through bugs to get that all coded out to make a functioning current weather app. I had initially wanted to go 7 days, but with time and my skill set, I found it a little bit difficult, so I just kind of stuck with a main weather app. So I gave myself a 3 on number 6. So that's my portfolio, and I will be submitting this.